Hi, my name is Lily. Let me share the latest SecureTransport features and improvements with you. This month, we updated several third-party components that were reported in the National Vulnerability Database, including BC-FIPS. Refer to our third-party software and licenses document for the complete list. The Zero Downtime update is now out of beta and can be used in production environments. It allows you to update an active enterprise cluster to a later release of SecureTransport without any interruption in file transfers, scheduling, and event logging. The diagram on the screen here shows a simplified reference architecture, where the existing environment running the old SecureTransport version is labeled as blue, and the newly formed cluster is labeled as green. For detailed instructions on how to perform a zero downtime update, refer to the administrator guide. It's important to note that this feature is exclusively bundled within the SecureTransport Enterprise Pack. The enablement, access, or use of Zero Downtime Update requires an additional Enterprise Pack license. And now let's take a look at the new Route Package Templates interface. From the main menu on the left, we'll go to Routes and then Route Packages Beta. This is where we'll create our template. Let's give it a name and then click on Save and Create Route to add our first route. Okay, now what's a route without some steps? Let's add some. The ones you see in bold here are available in the new user interface. The rest of the steps will be gradually added as well, but for now, they are available in the old interface. Okay, let's add a rename step. I want to keep the settings exactly as they are. And for here, maybe we can use an example from the tooltip. Perfect. Let's add one more step. Decompress. I'll also keep the settings as they are. Done! Now, if I want to edit a step, I'll just click on it and make any modifications. I can also check its position in the route. Okay, and what if I want to delete it? I'll just select it and remove it. And then I'll save my template and click OK. And this is the newly created template. The default tuning settings for fresh installations have been optimized to provide the best performance for the most common load patterns. These changes are not applied when updating existing installations. Check out the Performance Tuning for Increased Transfer Load section in the Administrator Guide for more details, including the new default values. To improve product accessibility, we've added a link to our accessibility compliance statement in the main menu of the SecureTransport Administration Tool and ST Web Client. This statement provides information about our compliance status, any non-conformities, the testing methods, and a feedback link. Thanks for watching! Apply this update using the links in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.